Look at this side-by-side comparison. On the left is a standard hour-long corporate meeting recording. On the right, that exact same call has been converted into a fast-paced vertical YouTube short. We are going to use an AI tool called OpusClip to extract the best business insights from your raw meeting recordings and automatically cut them into ready-to-publish YouTube shorts in under 5 minutes. To follow along with this process, you need 2 things: an active OpusClip account and a local or hosted video file that runs under 3 hours. If you are using the free tier, note that you have a hard limit of 60 processing minutes per month, so choose your source video carefully before initiating the upload. By the end of this workflow, you'll see how to convert a passive internal recording into an active marketing asset, generating new leads. Step 1 is importing your footage. You can drag and drop your local video file directly into the dashboard, or paste a URL if your meeting is already hosted online. Once uploaded, the AI system scans the audio and video. It isolates the most engaging moments and slices your long recording into 10 to 20 individual clips. Remember, the system deducts credits based on the total length of the source video you upload. That 60-minute monthly limit on the free tier means you should prioritize uploading meetings that contain your strongest advice. Because the AI identifies topic boundaries and cuts footage automatically, you bypass the hours usually spent manually scrubbing a timeline to find usable soundbites. When the processing finishes, you are presented with a list of generated clips. Your primary tool for deciding which one to publish is the AI Virality Score. This score is calculated out of 100. The system grades each clip by comparing content pacing and keywords against current trends to predict social reach. Scan your results and select the clip boasting the highest score and an AI-generated title that clearly communicates the value the viewer will receive. Relying on this algorithmic scoring ensures you are promoting your most potent business insights based on actual platform data, rather than guessing what an audience might want to hear. Click into the edit mode for your chosen clip. The first element to verify is the new aspect ratio. The system defaults to a 9:16 vertical crop. It applies a smart tracking feature that identifies the active speaker and keeps them centered as they move around the frame. However, if 2 people speak at once, or someone gestures widely, the automatic tracking can occasionally drift and place your speaker off-center. To correct this, grab the bounding box in the preview window and manually drag it to keep your primary speaker perfectly framed throughout the clip. Mobile audiences are highly sensitive to poor framing. Keeping the subject centered ensures the viewer's eye never has to search for the focal point, keeping their attention locked on your message. Next, navigate to the Caption and Styling tab. Select a bold text style with clear word-by-word animation. Right below that, toggle on the Auto B-roll feature. The AI scans your transcript and inserts relevant stock footage whenever you mention specific business terms. Right now, 73% of consumers watch short vertical videos every single day. To hold their attention, establish visual momentum immediately. Animated captions directly influence retention, acting as a visual anchor that stops them from scrolling past. Pairing active text with contextual B-roll converts a static talking head into a dynamic piece of content designed specifically for modern social feeds. With the edit complete, click the Export button. We are going to bypass downloading the file to your local computer entirely. Instead, use the platform integrations inside the export modal. Click the YouTube icon and authorize the application to connect to your channel. Type out your final YouTube Shorts title, paste in a brief description with your relevant hashtags, and hit publish. Skipping local file management and eliminating the need to switch browser tabs accelerates your workflow, allowing you to distribute content faster. Here is the final output. Your polished video, complete with dynamic captions and B-roll, is now playing natively within the YouTube Shorts feed. We started with an hour of unstructured meeting footage and produced a concise piece of professional advice perfectly formatted for vertical distribution. If you plan to make this a regular part of your marketing strategy, upgrading to a paid OpusClip plan will remove the watermarks and provide the processing credits necessary for daily posting. Make sure to subscribe if you want to learn more ways to automate your video production. A single person can now manage the editing, formatting, and publishing tasks that previously required a dedicated production team, turning raw conversations into a consistent content engine.